Welcome to Frontier. Thank you for your recent order for Frontier Fiber 5 Gig Internet. You've made a great choice. In a few days, a technician will install your new fiber service. Before they get there, here are a few things you need to know to prepare for your installation. There are two different ways that fiber service is delivered to your home, from underground or by aerial power pole. Where you live determines the type of installation you'll have. If the fiber needs to be buried underground, a crew will arrive to bury a slim cable on your property. Once the fiber has been installed, the grass is folded over. On your fiber installation day, your technician will come to your home with everything they need to get your fiber internet up and running. This includes your fiber optic terminal, or ONT, which is installed outside your house or in your garage. It converts the optical signal for your router. We recommend using the router provided by Frontier. You will have either a TP-Link or an Eero router. Here's how you can prepare for installation day to make the process run smoothly. Have someone over 18 at home to authorize the work. If you're renting, confirm your landlord is okay with the installation. Your Frontier technician will identify a good location for your ONT installation near a grounded outlet. Decide where you want to put the router and clear the area of clutter. Your technician will run wire from the ONT to the router. Your Frontier technician can also advise you on the best place to put the router to get the best performance from your Wi-Fi. Before leaving, your technician will test the signal strength with a Wi-Fi scanner. Don't forget to make note of your network name and password. This can also be found in both the TP-Link tether and the Eero Wi-Fi system app. Once the fiber is installed, all you have to do is start enjoying fiber fast internet.